Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of widening variation between countries as the pressure to reopen intensifies. In the US, their National Bureau of Economic Research said that their economy hit its peak in February and has since fallen into a downturn as pandemic-related shutdowns tanked activity and brought to an end a record-long expansion, one that lasted 128 months. The US is now officially in recession. But despite that, we may be seeing some signs of a turnaround. American consumers felt slightly more optimistic about their finances and job prospects in May as businesses began to reopen and rehire workers, but the change is only marginal. There's been a surprising piece of data out of Canada. Their housing starts jumped unexpectedly, driven by single-family homes. In fact, these starts were higher in May 2020 than the same month in 2019. In China, new data shows steel production near all-time record high levels and passenger car sales are growing again. Tesla is starring there. There were other signs of China rebound as well. All of this is adding legs to the unusual run for the iron ore price. That is helping propel Aussie exports past the $100 billion annual rate. US Treasury 10-year yield is down 1 basis point, now at 0.88%. And the gold price has turned back up today, rising by $17 to $1,698 an ounce. Oil prices are lower today, ending a recent run of gains. They're now down by more than $1 to just on $38 a barrel in the US, and the Brent benchmark is just under $41 a barrel. And BP has announced cuts of 10,000 jobs, or 15% of its worldwide workforce, owing to the global slump in demand. And very long-life car batteries entering the market won't help either. And the Kiwi dollar has risen even further, now just on 65.5 US cents. On the cross rates, we're up to 93.5 Australian cents and still a 1-month high. That means our trade-weighted index has pushed up to 70.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.